For our last day in Meghalaya, we are trading the famous living root bridges for a hidden gem, Krang Suri Waterfalls, a spot promising both history and views like none other. Our driver is assuring us we won't regret it, and it's already clear he's right. Nestled in the Jaintia Kingdom, this waterfall is making the 2.5-hour drive worth it as we soak in the sun along the way through God's own landscapes. As we are driving past Dawki in the West Jaintia Hills, the scenery is dramatically shifting. We are now entering a whole new world, and it almost feels like Ladakh. Hillocks here are rolling on either side of the road, giving us an up-close look at the plateaus of Meghalaya. Look at those locals watching a football match as the last rays of sunlight bathe the east. It's 3 p.m. by our watch, and we are finally at Krang Suri. We are at the Krang Suri Waterfalls of the Dawki region in Meghalaya, and this is what the trail looks like. We will now be starting our short descent to the waterfall from a beautifully maintained trail. And here it is, a stunning turquoise river gently cascading from above a cave. Here you can opt for boating, zip lining, and also enjoy the beautiful waterfall down below. It's fun boating here. From here, the waterfall is seemingly calm and peaceful, but the sound below is telling a different story. Time to see the real magic. Up close, the falls are dropping from about 40 feet high, with water splashing down in full force. People are swimming and enjoying themselves in nature's own paradise, completely immersed in this moment. The sound of the water is truly refreshing, reminding us of just how wild and beautiful this place is. But now, let's dive into the legend behind Krang Suri's name.
The literal meaning of Krang Suri, the waterfall, is after Krang, which in the local language means a cave, and Suri was a sickle-shaped weapon.
And last but not the least, here's a fun fact. This place used to be a secret hideout where Jaintia kings stashed their weapons during the wars. Isn't it interesting? It's already 5 p.m. and look how time passes in nature's beauty. We are realizing it's time to hike back and grab a late lunch and also get on the road for another 3-hour drive back to Shillong. But before we leave, we can't resist taking one last peek, and here's the cave's unique view of the waterfall. What a sight! The hike back is no joke. Our legs are burning, and just as we are about to give up, someone is saying those magic words. Almost there. With that boost, we are pushing through. Now it's time for some well earned food before hitting the road again.
Yum, take a bite. Good.
And we've just finished the hike to the waterfall. Now that we are back, we're enjoying a hot cup of tea and some pasta. As the sun sets on our final day in Meghalaya, we reflect on this incredible journey we have been gifted. From misty mountains and rolling plateaus to ancient legends and natural wonders, this land has been nothing short of magical. Every turn has revealed something new, a hidden waterfall, a peaceful village, or a story from the past. Meghalaya isn't just a destination, it's an experience, a place where time truly slows down and nature takes over, inviting us to pause and appreciate the beauty of the world around us. Until we meet again, Meghalaya, you'll always make us so happy that it nearly hurts.